Today, we're going to show you how to fix error 409 in Firefox. So here we go. Click on the three lines at the top right corner of your web browser. Go into the Settings option. Click on the Privacy and Security tab. Scroll down the page. Go to the section Cookies and Site Data. Click on the Manage Data button. Find the website that shows error 409. Copy the name of the website and paste it into the search box. Select the website name and click on Remove Selected. Click on Save Changes and then click on Remove. Now, follow step 2. Click on the Clear Data button under the Cookies and Site Data section. Select the duration of cookies you want to clear and click on Clear. Refresh the web page and check if the problem is resolved. You can see here the problem has been solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. See you in another video. Goodbye.